Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Nextiva. If you're not familiar with Nextiva, it's a cloud-based communications platform that offers a variety of features, including phone service, video conferencing, and CRM integration. So, is Nextiva a VoIP service? The short answer is yes. Nextiva is a VoIP service. But what does that mean? And how does Nextiva's VoIP service compare to other VoIP providers? In this video, I'm going to answer these questions and more. I'll also give you a tour of Nextiva's features and show you how to use the platform. So, if you're interested in learning more about Nextiva or if you're considering switching to Nextiva, be sure to watch this video until the end. What is VoIP? Before we get into the specifics of Nextiva's VoIP service, let's take a quick look at what VoIP is. VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, is a technology that allows you to make phone calls over the internet. Instead of using traditional phone lines, VoIP uses your internet connection to transmit your voice data. This has a number of benefits, including lower costs. VoIP is typically much cheaper than traditional phone service. Better features. VoIP services often offer a wider range of features than traditional phone service, such as voicemail, call forwarding, and conference calling. More flexibility. VoIP can be used from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. How does Nextiva's VoIP service work? Nextiva's VoIP service works by using a cloud-based platform. This means that your phone calls and other data are stored on Nextiva servers, rather than on your own computer or phone. This has a number of benefits, including increased reliability. Your phone service will not be affected by power outages or other disruptions to your local network. Easy setup. There is no need to install any hardware or software on your computer or phone. Automatic updates. Nextiva automatically updates its software, so you always have the latest features and security patches. What features does Nextiva's VoIP service offer? Nextiva's VoIP service offers a wide range of features, including unlimited calling. Make unlimited calls to US, Canada, and Mexico. Call forwarding. Forward your calls to another number, such as your cell phone or home phone. Voicemail. Check your voicemail from anywhere in the world. Conference calling. Host conference calls with up to 25 participants. Call recording. Record your calls for future reference. CRM integration. Integrate Nextiva with your CRM software to keep track of your customer interactions. And much more. How does Nextiva's VoIP service compare to other VoIP providers? Nextiva's VoIP service is one of the best on the market. It offers a wide range of features, is easy to use, and is very reliable. Nextiva is also one of the most affordable VoIP providers. In fact, Nextiva often offers special discounts for new customers. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and feature-rich VoIP service, I highly recommend Nextiva. How to get started with Nextiva's VoIP service. If you're interested in getting started with Nextiva's VoIP service, here are a few steps you can take. Visit the Nextiva website and sign up for a free trial. Once your trial is active, you can start using Nextiva's VoIP service. If you're happy with the service, you can upgrade to a paid plan. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Nextiva's VoIP service. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you next time.